what do we have here? EVBase seat pad extension leg rise. This is for you to secure it on your seat. Yeah, there's two of them in black, and this is for your tight. And there's a hook here, and there's another hook here as well. All right, this is where you secure to your seat. Yeah, so it should be something like this. Yeah, yep, this will be the front, and this is the back. Yeah, so this is comes with all these holes, you can see. Yeah, so these holes won't be blocking your air ventilation. Okay, to install this is actually pretty easy. You just have to slot in and make sure the plastic piece is holding up this way, so it's not coming out this way. Yeah, so you got to be straight. So slot it in, put it straight, then this will not come out. Yeah, see that? So when I touch this material, it's soft, yeah, and it's leather-like. They call this Napa-like leather. It's actually pretty comfortable to sit on. Yeah, so I've now installed on my seat, so I'll be driving around with this. As you can see, there is more support on this side. Yeah, so there will be no more empty gap in between, so this is actually filling the gap. So as you can see, I'm driving now with this on. It actually feels not bad. Yeah, my skins are really touching it, and it's not rough, and it still feels pretty good. Yeah, so yeah, it's definitely recommended, and it's not sleeping. Alright, I'm done, and let's check out this. Oops. So it's still intact. Yeah, maybe it's a bit out. Yeah, but it's still there. It's not slipping away, and really nice item. I think they have another in black as well, but I think this matched my car really well.